blue boat in the background. Behind the car is Infinity from Mark's boat. See everyone else here. There you can see the sea, and here is the next boat that's going to launch. Whispering Winds, and see we're not too far from the dock. We've just put this massive big trawler in. Probably one of the biggest boats that can go on this lift. It's going in. You can see all the boats in the relay there. Watch the masts. Bouncy out there. Big cat. Selena. Charter boat. And then a little bit closer. Down the corner here. That's where we barbecue. Or braai. We're watching rugby. You can see people sitting on the benches there. So we've got a super high tide here. The water's washing over the dock. It's raining and there's a hell of a chop. You can see the Crowley. And you can see the waves breaking here. And it's just going to get worse with the full moon. To be out there. Lots of really roly boats.
Stick it inside the PVC, it'll stiffen it up.
Yeah. That's the way to do it, Andrew. Just stick it inside. You might have to use the fatter one.
That way you can, it'll stiffen it up more and I'll start to be able to get you whenever you do it. Ready? Yes.
last morning in the boatyard. It's just after 7. Hull's fully painted. We go in later today. There's the dinghy cover, busy drying in the sun. It's full of dew. Prop all greased. Anodes on. Quite good. Top sides have been buffed. And yeah, you just see the crane over there. Tonight we'll spend in the dock in the actual slip, and then we'll head off to Grenada tomorrow. Right, so neighbouring boats going in. This is how they do it. There's old Vladimir's boat. There's old Vlad. Solo circumnavigator. Guys removing all the jack stands. Just like that, it's our turn to go in. There we go. How they're going to maneuver us out of here is going to be interesting. Always a scary moment seeing your boat fly.
It's the first time it's moved in how long?
Smile!
Very much.
Yeah, just a regular Saturday morning in the tropics. Been raining most of yesterday and last night. Fun and games.
amazing. But the boat over there isn't rolling nearly as much as us. It's just weird. We're literally just in the slot here.